I am Dr. Shankar. I am a radiologist. Today in local newspaper, in Telugu newspaper, there is one item that insulin preparations in the form of tablets. They have mentioned word, maybe that may be scientific or unscientific, I don't know, liposomes. They are introducing the liposomes in manufacturing of the oral insulin tablets and coating substances like polyelectrolytes. In this field, you may be knowing more about it. Can you highlight that this research has been done some institute somewhere in Punjab? Whether it has got any scientific basis or any whether in the future the making of the tablet form of the insulin possible, that aspect I would like to question.
Well, the reason why insulin is taken as injection is that if you take insulin orally, it will be digested, it will be broken down in the stomach. That's the reason why you have to take insulin as injection. But if you can encapsulate in liposomes, liposomes are nothing but lipid and charged substances. If you put them in water, they form some kind of a ball. If you put this compound inside that, and that is taken in the mouth, it will not be broken down by the digestive enzymes. It will cross through the intestinal border. It reaches the place where it is supposed to reach. So that is why it should work. There should not be any technical problem. Another way of doing that is if you make an insulin with the D amino acids, insulin amino acids, digestive enzyme will not kill it. But the protein itself will lose its conformity. It becomes a different mirror image of the component. So it's a lot of engineering needs to be done. But now people are working on how we can make protein therapeutics work. Because protein therapeutics, for example, if you take a snake venom, if you take in a glass and drink it, nothing happens to you. But snake venom, if you put in a needle and poke, you will die. That's because the pathway, if it's taken orally, it gets broken down by the intestine. So liposome encapsulated insulin will work. There should be no reason. There is a scientific basis, clear basis for it. Thank you.